Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about speed shapes. And so I know there's a lot of customers out there that have seen these before. And so of course, if you have, then you probably already know the really great benefits of them. But of course, we always have a couple of customers and viewers that are like, what are those things that you're holding? I have had people that have told me that these things are some type of turkey. I've heard a chicken, I've heard cars, I've heard everything. So what exactly are these? And so these are for mainly the automotive industry. And of course, with the Hydrographics, we have used them as well for years, and they work really great for showing samples. And so, of course, with these right here, they do have a hole in them. That way, if you wanted to hang them on a wall, they're really great to show. That way you can have these all just lined up like that. Really great showpiece. And then that way they're cheap and easy. And of course, they're really flexible, so you can move them, things like that, as well as they are super cheap. So of course, if you have a customer or a kid that is looking at one of these and they drop them, they're also really great to have because of course they don't mess up maybe $1,000 gun that you've done, and of course you don't want the customers handling those because you don't want that to get dropped. So a couple of things to look at whenever you're looking at these speed shapes. Now of course we do have these on the website. You can buy them at the website. We're gonna have links in the description below, but a couple of things to look at. Now, of course, we do have two different options available. We have a white and we have a black. Now, you're probably wondering what's the difference. Now, in reality, if you're gonna be painting it, there's not really much difference other than some colors cover better over white, other colors cover better over black. So if you're gonna be base coating it, there's not really a big deal. A lot of companies will actually paint these because they're just trying to get a color match, and so then they have something that they can give to the customer. Other things is that you've also got the parts themselves that are made out of ABS. So that is really nice for the hydrographics industry because a lot of customers don't know this, but you can actually dip directly to these speed shapes. So if you need a white base coat for a film that you're just trying to show a customer, you can literally throw some tape on it, hold it, however you want to do it, lay your film down, activate it, dip it directly in there, pull it back out, and it's going to stick. Now, again, of course, wipe it down, make sure you don't have any fingerprints, oils on it, things like that, but it will stick directly to it. And then of course, you can apply a clear coat over the top of it, and then you're ready to go to show the customer. Now, long-term durability, probably not the best, but again, these are samples. So they're gonna hold up just fine sitting on a wall, just like this for years down the road. But overall, these are really great showpieces, and they're really great to show customers different and unique things that you can do because, of course, the Hydrographics is a three-dimensional coating. So you want a more rounded coating that will go over more curves and things like that. And so that's where these were developed. Now, of course, you've probably seen much larger ones. You've probably seen some smaller ones. I've even seen some that are clear, and there's all different types of them. But the general consensus is it's a rounded type of shape. I've seen them shaped in cars and everything like that. But these are really handy to have, especially whenever you have a custom shop or anything like that, because you can show customers what it's going to look like, and it's going to be for little to nothing whenever you're using these. Because of course you can just rebase over them, repaint them, redip them, and you're ready to go again. So these definitely do have a lot of nice features. And like I said, if you're interested in these, definitely check out the website. We have all of them there on the website. So of course, if you have any questions or comments about the speed shapes, or you find that you have something else that works really well, we definitely love to hear from you on that. Also, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips on anything hydrographics related. If you like the video, definitely give us a thumbs up on that. We'd always love to have that. And of course, check out the website. The website has everything that you need for the hydrographics, from your training to films to activator and everything in between. It's all there on the website, so definitely check that out if you're interested. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time. Also, if you're curious about durability of these, Check out this next little clip and you can clearly see how these stand up for the coating and the part itself.